So I'm making this video like you would be my friend. If the League of Legends is actually worth it. The truth to be told is not worth playing at all. And here are my reasons. First thing is really addictive. It's really easy to slip into the addiction that, oh my god, I'm going to play one more game. I have time right now, so I'm not going to clean the dishes, I'm not going to clean the room, I'm not going to exercise, I'm going to play one more game. So like what can happen, right? Another thing is that it's a complete time sink. It's really easy to sleep and playing in like 2, 3, 4 hours. And now, if you're someone who wants to escape from life, that you don't want to invest your time to real life, that experiences, experimenting, meeting people, that you just want to just like, I don't know, be hidden in a room and just play video games whole life, okay, this game is amazing for that. It's amazing for escapism. But if you're someone who wants to experience things, experiment things, that you don't want to only consume but achieve more in life, then just like be like, I'm going to be honest, like a sheep that just like consumes whatever someone creates, then this game is not good for you. Like playing video games is completely pointless, to be honest, when you find out about it. And if you're watching at this point and you are like curious about it, I'm going to talk about what I mean by that. So what happens right now, and what most people do, is that they are trading their own energy for pleasure from the outside world. That's how it works. TV shows, movies, video games, news, drama, whatever it is. So there is this thing that, okay, there is like, for example, League of Legends games. What you're putting is, investing your own energy to it. What you're getting is a dopamine release and chemical release in the body that you feel good for a while. Because those chemicals and those releases are clouding the suffering or the pain we have inside, all the traumatic experiences and things like that. So this is just invitation, if you're watching until this point, is rather than investing the things to the outside world, you can go and just sit in meditation. There is a wonderful book called Mind Illuminated, and rather from being sad and going to play video games or like pretending that I'm happy because I got dopamine hits, I see it on the kids all the time, is that they're just like always, even early childhood, we put the kids into the cartoons and everything, and they just can't stay within the stuff for 5 to 7 minutes. Just ask the teachers who are like rising and teaching kids, like how is it different comparing to 5-7 years ago, and you would see that. But even again, like playing games is really normalized right now, so there are going to be people like really arguing, yeah, but moderation, like, okay man, like do whatever you want. This is just invitation to flourish within. And what is the purpose here, and what you can do, is to start facing the things within in the meditation practice, the trauma work and things like that. And then you would see that, oh my god, I can have peace within, and I don't have to do anything from the outside world. I don't have to watch movies, TV shows, music, nothing. I can just be. It's just an invitation to think about. But okay, I just went a little bit back. League of Legends, it's an amazing game. But just be aware, it's really highly addictive and it's a time sink. And then you just won't have the motivation to the other things when you're going to play for like 2-3 hours. Test it out. Don't do anything. Like, okay, don't consume anything from the outside world for 1 month. And then just play one game of League of Legends. And you will see what happens to your brain. And you're like, do I really want this? Just a test.